Subscribe to Mom's Food Diary and tap on the bell icon to receive latest recipe notifications. Welcome to Mom's Food Diary. Also visit momsfooddiary.com for complete written recipes in English. Today we'll be preparing a famous Hyderabadi sweet or dessert. It's a Khubani ka meetha. This is a apricot fruit sweet. So I'll show you the complete method. This is very easy to prepare at home and it's very delicious. So let's start the recipe. These are the apricots. So we have taken 300 grams of it and we have soaked it in water overnight. And initially what we have done is we have washed it thoroughly with water and then we have soaked it in water for overnight. And now what we need to do is we need to deseed it and we need to separate the flesh as well as the seed. So we need to collect the flesh in a separate vessel and in a small bowl we'll collect the seeds. The seeds are nothing but the nuts which are also used in this recipe. I will show you in the later part of the recipe. The seeds are also the nuts. So we need to collect the flesh in a vessel and we need to cook that fruit. This is a apricot fruit. So once we have collected in a vessel, we'll use the same water which we have soaked, and then we will be placing the vessel onto the stove. The flame will be full. So on full flame we need to cook for at least 15 to 20 minutes. It will start to dissolve. So what we'll do is, so the apricot which is available in the market, it's of two types. One is a whitish and one is the orange one. The orange ones are the ones which are treated with sulfur dioxide. So we have not used that in our recipe. We have used a normal plain white ones. So once it starts to dissolve, we have transferred the content of the vessel into another vessel, because the previous vessel was a steel vessel, so there it becomes too sticky. So we have transferred it into a different vessel and now we'll start to cook it. So in 15 to 20 minutes it will be completely ready. This will start to dissolve and it will become a thick paste. So the flame will be full. We have to constantly stir it and we need to cook it for 15 to 20 minutes. Then once it is ready, then we will take it off the stove and we have to completely cool off at room temperature. So we will take it off stove and we will start the other preparations. So this is ready now. We need to cool it off. And on the other hand, we have taken 400 ml of milk. We need to boil it, and of the total quantity of 400 milliliter, we have taken a little milk in a different small vessel and we have added 1.5 tablespoon of custard powder. So this is a different vessel with a small quantity of milk. We have taken 1.5 tablespoon of custard powder in this and we have to mix it thoroughly. And you can also add sugar at this time. So in the vessel, the milk vessel, we have added sugar now. We have added 2 tablespoons of sugar now, because even apricot is sweeter, so we will use the sugar in such a quantity that it balances the recipe. So we need to dissolve it and now we will be adding the custard mixture into the vessel. So once it starts to boil, we have added it. Now we have to cook it for 3 minutes with constantly stirring. It will become too thick, but we have to make sure it's not too much thick. It should be of medium thick consistency. And once it is ready, we will take it off stove and we need to also cool this mixture completely at room temperature. We need to constantly stir it because there shouldn't be lumps at the bottom. So we need to constantly stir it, and after 3 minutes we have to take it off stove and completely cool it off. Now we'll prepare the other things now. Even you can add a little more sugar here or in the later part, it's up to you. But you need to remember that even apricot is also sweet. So apricot is a sweet fruit. This is a very famous Hyderabadi sweet recipe. So we have taken it off stove and we need to cool it off. And this is the khubani or the apricot which we have cooked. Now we will use the total. We need to use at 90% of the mixture and we need to make it a puree by grinding it in a mixer. So we have taken 90% of the cooked khubani and we need to make it a puree, and the remaining 10% we'll be using at the end for garnish. So now here also you can add the sugar here. We need to grind it into a fine paste to make a puree. As you can see, it is ready now. So now on the other hand, we have taken 1 cup of milk cream and we need to also grind it. in a mixer jar. So we have whipped it. So now this is the final preparation. We have taken a large bowl, and at the base we have added the apricot puree, one layer of that, and this is the apricot seed nut which we have obtained from the apricot seed. And once we have added that, and another layer of the custard mixture which we have prepared using milk and custard. And this is a little twist here. We have used Marie biscuit, and we have placed it on the, this is another layer of Marie biscuit, and then on top of it we'll pour the another layer of, same, we'll repeat the procedure. This is the famous Hyderabadi sweet Khubani ka Meetha. This is very delicious and yummy dessert. This is the whipped cream which we have used, and we will be adding it a layer on top of the biscuits. Now we have kept it a little thick, the milk cream mixture. Now we'll again put a layer of, this is the one which we have put it, we have kept it for the garnishing. This is the, not the puree one, this is the cooked apricot. This is a very delicious and yummy Khubani ka Meetha or apricot sweet. This is very easy to prepare. So if you have liked the recipe, please like it and share it with your family and friends. And also you can, if you have any doubts, you can let us know through the comment section below. So this is a very famous Khubani ka Meetha Hyderabadi sweet. So like and share and subscribe. Do check out our other recipes as well. So until then, goodbye.